Well, that was a bit of a risk, a bit of a effort getting the dinghy off the bow of that thing. Doesn't look bad from here, but boy, there's some movement in that boat. Yeah, risk life and limb there. Now we've got to get into the shore. Even just getting off the back of the boat into the dinghy was a bit of a whew.
That's how we've been the last night.
Yeah, the boat's been rocking like this, up and down, side to side, all night. One of our worst nights. Look at how high that back goes up and down. You imagine dinghy getting trapped under there and stepping off there and that. Anyway, this is where we're going to go into. There's a waterfall just in there. We're going to go and see if we can find some calm spot there. Beach the dinghy. There's a village. Oh, you can actually see some smoke up here. You know, there's a village through here behind these trees. So we'll go and see what's going on. Hopefully we make it back. Holy, what a mission. Legs are wobbly as hell. That with the boat wobbling around so much, we had to try and climb up all these rocks, tree roots, wobbly. Even I was wobbling my head off. You know, there's people over here waiting for a boat. They're going back to Amby. But look at these beautiful waterfalls. There's another one over here. Look at that one. Stunning place. All these people. Oh, look at the waterfalls up there too. So next mission we're going to get across here because the village is over that side. We're going over that way. So we've got to get across this, which is apparently pretty slippery. So anyway, let's do it. Out there, still rocking and rolling. Anyway, glad to be on land. This is the State Highway 1. Maewo has been nicknamed the Waterfall Island due to the sheer number as you go up and down the island. So Naone has the most prominent waterfall here on the island, and we're going to go visit it. But first we've got to get our guides, so we went to the village and sought out permission to go to the waterfall and get a guide to go and see it. This is the start of the walk up to the waterfall. We've got tour guides. The walk up to the waterfall is a 15-minute easy walk through this beautiful bush and taro, water taro gardens and terraces, which you'll see in a second. It almost stole the show from the waterfall itself. This is a young breadfruit plant. It turns into that. So fields and fields of water taro here. Obviously terrace it to hold the water. Where?
Yeah, the red one.
Oh, I just got a glimpse of it.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Even over this side, more water taro. Make these bums. Yeah, there's a bit, eh? Yeah, one feeds into the other. All terraced.
Very smart.
So Fran and I found it super interesting, these terraced gardens, and how all the water flows from the top to the first garden, second, third, all the way down through to the bottom. And the little feats of engineering that they had to do to make it happen. Yeah, it's like rice paddy fields except water taro. Just everywhere you look. There's terraces. Well, here's a good example. This is a freshly planted one. Drops out of the previous one into the next one.
Bit of digging gone involved to get that started.
Yeah. A bit of work involved, eh?
Corn.
More up there. Wow. See how they've diverted some off this way. Most of it comes this way into that one. A good overview of the field. So as you can probably tell, Fran and I were really intrigued by all this and being gardeners ourselves. Towards the end of the video you'll see how the water taro is prepared, dug up and prepared in fact. So they've redirected this river from going over the waterfall, but obviously there's a lot still going over there. Anyway, a lot of it's come down around here and heads off down this way to feed that entire plantation of all those terraces that we just seen. So, anyway, this is the source of all that water, right here. That's where we just come from, right there. That's where we walked across there. And we got this terrace here. We got the big waterfall there. And then we got a medium one there. So the boys and I decided to go for a walk up the waterfall, see how far we could get up there, and the girls decided to stay down the bottom. So it was a beautiful little walk up the top. This here's a prawn trap. They trap prawns in there.
You live in New Zealand, in Auckland? Or
Yeah. So walking up this slope of the waterfall was actually extremely grippy. It had plenty of grip, but then there'd be patches where there was none, and it wasn't predictable. You couldn't really see, so you had to be a little bit careful, and you go from hero to zero pretty smartly, I think. Woo, so high now. So the boys said we're going to jump off the waterfall on the way back down. So with a bit of encouragement, I said yes, and I had to get rid of my cell phone. So he had to get it back down to these girls. So the young guy in the white shirt, he pretty much ran all the way down to the girls and back again. It was incredible, the dexterity and the fitness and knowing where to stand, I suppose. So walking down was a lot trickier than going uphill with the slippery spots and not being able to see them. Anyway, this young fella, he was going to jump off at that point, and I was a bit nervous about that, so decided to jump off at a slightly lower spot. But it's still bloody high. It's quite amazing how long it's been in the air. And Lee, yes, I did half a day. Biggest carver plant I've seen. More there. More behind us. All that's carver. What a cool experience that was. Possibly the best waterfall I've ever seen and walked to. I mean, the walk in alone was stunning. So when we got back to the village, they were saying goodbye to some brothers from a religion from Mumbai. Saying farewell to a family that's leaving. Been here 2 weeks. So this one is the meeting house. Basically it's a men's club, men only. They come in there and do their things. And this one, hello.
Hello.
It's a carver bar?
Yes.
Yes.
Kava bar.
So this one's a carver bar. They're always cracking jokes. There's a carver bar. Sweet. Hello.
Hello.
I'm Bryce.
I'm Judah.
Hello, Judah. How are you today? We're off to the school. Got a couple of supporters. Hello. Flashiest building in the village. Look at that. This is the school. These kids go to the school. So this building is actually for the teachers from outside the village to come and stay and encourage them to come and teach at the school. It must be a toilet or something. Don't know what that one is. Oh, more people coming. So remote places like this really struggle to attract teachers. So building this place for them to stay when they come from out of town, these are the ones that they're replacing actually. So yeah, it's very important for them to attract the teachers. These ones are even better. These are pretty good. So even at school, they've got food everywhere. So the headmaster was really keen for us to hang out and sit down and have a chat. We ended up hanging out for the entire afternoon. That's the headmaster's house. This is the headmaster here. And this lady was one of the teachers.
Do you make goat curry? What? Curry? Goat curry? Goat curry? Do you have a fridge at home?
This is the office and library.
Do you like to read books?
Yeah, in Vanuatu, the building materials are very expensive. Maybe every place is like. Yeah.
So this classroom, which is, what was it, years 3 and 4, I think, was funded by New Zealand.
All the communities move in.
Wow.
So they were saying this is a
This
cyclone safe house, this one, rated to Cat 5. A lot of screws in that roof.
Big storms, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's good walking around.
Yes.
Come out of the boat.
Oh, yeah.
Going to the next water garden. Oh wow.
If you want this, I can.
Oh yeah.
You want it? White
Yeah.
spoon.
Just thinking. I think we might already have some.
Okay. Okay.
I think we've already got some.
Okay.
We'll be right, but that looks good. That's a. We call it bok choy.
This the water taro garden here belongs to my son. Dion.
Yeah.
The one take you to the waterfall.
And this is his garden.
Yes.
Oh wow. So as she just mentioned, this garden belongs to her son. That was the one that took us to the waterfall in the white t-shirt. And he's only 15, this guy, and he's got his own garden that looks like this. Well done, that boy. So we're off to her and her husband's garden now to hunt down some water taro. She thought she better not take him to have her son's garden. So how do you know when they're ripe? Like, well, ready for picking?
Ready, yes, this one is ready. Oops.
Oh, husband's not going to be happy. Oh, does it go deep? Oh, wow.
Okay, so we can go and show you how to peel it.
Yeah. Great.
And come tomorrow.
So this is Naone School. The village is called Naone.
Sometimes when you handle it, that it is weight,
Yeah.
then you only feel the pipe. Itches.
Ah, yes.
Yes. But if it is dry,
Yeah.
yes, it's okay. Just a little bit,
Then finish.
then
Yeah.
finishes. Yes. Ali, did you shake hands?
Hello.
Shake hands. The other one, the boy.
Aline, this is Aline.
This Ali
Aline?
The other one
and
is
Chodan.
Oh, you guys got quite close in age.
Yes. This the Chodan is 1 year older than Aline.
Ah.
Sorry.
So he's for planting.
So now you can plant this.
Replant that.
You can do that. How long will it take to grow a new?
Sungai ni dia. Antang susah nak. Iran saya terbang kilo.
You can wash it again, but because when you...
And this is the kindergarten. So what a cool afternoon, spending it with such lovely human beings. I know there's a few cruisers out there that watch these, so if you're in the area, this is the sort of place you want to give your gifts to. They're very remote and don't have much at all. So yeah, support the little fellas. They even got land cruisers here. These remote places and you find a land cruiser.
Peter Coleman, the one I told you, he's donating the soil to the school.
Oh yes?
Yes, his sister's wife.
Oh really?
Yes.
Yep.
And with his husband, they own this house.
Yeah. Yeah.
His husband is the chief's son.
Okay. Yes.
And Peter Coleman takes one of the sister, and that is the...
So this just shows what a wonderful people they are. They all come down to see us off, the entire family, and the teacher, the other teacher. But anyway, I tried to fly the drone and I couldn't unlock it because I had no internet. So there's an airport nearby, so it would only let me fly for about 20 seconds, and then it said it was going to land, and I was like, oh crap, I better quickly land it. But not before catching these two cuties. Look at them buzzing out. Thank you, Tomas. With how badly the boat was rolling around, we decided to stay one more night and get out of there early the next morning. Try and find somewhere a bit more sheltered, probably go to Umbai. Anyway, I was able to unlock the drone because I had internet again, and get up and get some shots of that waterfall. What a stunning place it was. So this rolling and pitching is the reason we need to get out of here as soon as possible. So we only had one full day here, unfortunately. It would have been great to stay here much longer. It was such a beautiful place and people. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video. A bit of a long format, this one. Just showed one village really, but it was worth showing this village. It really was truly beautiful.